So happy with this prize. I'm so happy. You can imagine. I've been waiting for this moment so long, you know, to qualify for the Olympia again. After the Olympia, just didn't work out, and now I got what I deserve. So I'm so very blessed and thankful to all you guys, to the promoters, to Dennis for his hospitality and for promoting the show. For all the sponsors who promote the shows, I want to thank you all. And most of all, I want to thank my God, because without him, I couldn't be doing this. And I want to thank my sponsor, USN, for making everything possible, for making all the travels possible. And I want to thank you fans. I love you, St. Petersburg.
Thank you very much. We believe in your success in Olympia. Be the next Mr. Olympia. Давайте поаплодируем замечательному спортсмену, который находится в прекраснейшей форме. Фотография с тренером. И наши поздравления.